Today I have for you a set that you need to go buy. I don't care if you're into Lego or not. You need to go buy it. It's only $10 and it's amazing. It's this little plane. It doesn't take long to put together, but it is by far the most bang for your money. It's 154 pieces, and it was $10. Get the box out of the way. I'll show you the plane. That's right, it's Technic, so it does stuff. And when you roll it, the propeller moves. This is super cool. It's a solid little plane, and it's $10. It's only $10. It's got propeller. You lift the little thing, and you can see inside the gears. Both sides lift, and show you what's going on. Got your little landing gear. I mean, they are permanent, but it is $10. But for $10, man, this thing is cool. There'll be pictures of this at the end. I'm going to spend a little more time on this. And actually, I'm just going to go ahead and release the video immediately, because if you're into Legos at all, you need to go buy it. It is super cool. If I had the money, I would probably buy 10 of these and make a little airport, have a little fleet, because they're just that cool. Mount from the ceiling. It's very cool. Yeah, don't mind my stickers. I'm terrible with stickers. But yeah, for $10, this is one cool little plane. Got your marker lights, green and red. Just look at that. What a super cool plane. And this thing's only $10 at the Lego store. Super cool. Super fun. Like I said, if you know anybody that's into Lego, or you're into Lego, or whatever, go spend the $10, save it for Christmas, whatever. They'll love it. They'll think you spent more money on it. It's super cool. Like, they got the little down things, look like the motor. It's just super cool. I'm so impressed with this little airplane. Go buy one. Go buy 10 of them. It's a lot of fun. It's fun to put together, and it's, I mean, really, 154 pieces, and it's only $10. You cannot go wrong. I'll include pictures at the end. Y'all take it easy.